We mentioned it a little earlier. It was awesome to attend the University of Hawaii football game this weekend. The energy, the vibe, it was just amazing. And former UH linebacker Jahlani Tavai had himself an amazing weekend as well. It started on Friday when his partner, Kalei Mau, gave birth to the couple's first child. Now, Kalei is a Kaiser alumna and a professional volleyball player. So baby girl Honua is born into an athletic family.
Wow, that is so awesome. Then on Sunday, Daddy Jahlani played a main game as part of the New England Patriots, that was my team once upon a time, who won 19-13, or they won, they might be my team again, over the Chicago Bears. That's what you call winning. Congratulations to the Tavai Ohana.
Yes, big wins for the weekend. Hey, Tom Cruise is back, brother. He's coming back to a theater near you with his 8th Mission Impossible film titled The Final Reckoning. Now, it's scheduled to come out on May 23rd of next year. The movie was supposed to come out in 2022, but the pandemic and the actors' strike made it postponed. They got postponed for that.
Well, and despite his age, Tom Cruise is still doing a lot of his action stunts like scuba diving, running, falling out of planes, playing pickleball, all while the studio's marketing is teasing this could be the end of the Mission Impossible series. The star is said to be not totally on board with that idea. I love
when do you think enough is enough, though?
Well,
do you think he should just keep going until he's like old and gray, or?
It depends, because you know when you watch a Liam Neeson action movie, like when you're watching Taken in the beginning, he's moving, or even Harrison Ford, Indiana Jones, when they start running like old men, like Kupuna, when you know, they gotta have the walker with the tennis balls on the bottom.
That's why you have a stuntman.
That's when, yeah, you gotta get the stuntman.
But the difference is that Tom Cruise does all his own stunts.
I know, he's
That's
crazy.
the difference. This guy is amazing. And by the way, Harrison Ford is coming back in a movie as the Red Hulk. Yes, as the Red Hulk. All right, but I do have another story for you. It's about another movie. And finally, the highly anticipated movie Wicked, which tells the imaginative origin story of the Wicked Witch of the West, had its premiere this past Saturday, and the red carpet reunion was pretty amazing.
You know, the original Broadway duo of Idina Menzel, is that her name?
Idina.
No, but what is her other name? That
the one that Richard Gere gave her.
No, what is his name? Anyway.
Oh,
I can't even remember his name. John Travolta.
Oh, John, yeah. No, I thought it was Richard Gere. Oh, it was John Travolta.
Yeah, he gave
that said him
her a
wrong.
completely different name. Vicky, you can check on that so we can know. And Kristen Chenoweth, Adele Dazeem.
Adele Dazeem.
Thank you, John.
That's right.
Well, so Idina and Kristen Chenoweth posed with the new movie duo, Ariana Grande and Cynthia Erivo. Oh, that lady can sing. Missing from the pic was director John M. Chu, who opted to be with his wife as she gave birth to their 5th child.
Yes, but you know, Wicked had an ayah moment this weekend too. It was revealed that Mattel, the toy manufacturer putting out the Wicked dolls, made a major mistake. The company meant to have the official website of the Wicked movie on the packaging. Instead, what was printed was an adult website restricted to those under the age of 18.
Now, in a statement sent to CNN, Mattel said it regrets the error and is taking, quote, immediate action to remove this, end quote. Officials say people who already have the dolls should get rid of the packaging or scratch off the link or bust up your husband if you bought one. You know
but you know what? You know, collectors love packaging that has mistakes on it. So, you know, everybody's going to be looking for these dolls with that crazy website.
Or I was going to say,